Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. Right now we all are learning mathematics. Here we are going to start our day in a positive attitude with a meaningful thought. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Yes, my dear students, have faith on yourself. First of all, make sure about your dreams. After that, believe that your dreams can fulfill. And then work hard towards your dreams. Everyone get ready with your notebook, pencil, because now we all are going to learn and write the heading, chapter number 7. Subtracting greater numbers. SUBTRACTING, subtracting. GREATER, greater. NUMBERS, numbers. I am detecting very slowly, so all my dear students can complete with me. Learning objectives for chapter number 7, counting back to subtract. Addition facts. Subtracting one digit from two-digit number. Subtraction using number strip. Double digit subtraction. Problem solving. Look, my dear students, why we are making revision again and again? Because with the help of revision, you all can memorize and revise the previous topic. It is said that practice makes man perfect. So, we are following the same rule and we are making much more practice so that you all can become perfect. What is subtraction? Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. Let me repeat. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. The subtraction is signified by the minus sign. In previous lecture, we learned and write how to make subtraction with the help of counting backward. Let us see once again counting back, solve by counting back. 19 minus 2, we get 17. 12 minus 3, we get 9. 16 minus 2, we get 14. 11 minus 2, we get 9. 14 minus 1, we get 13. 16 minus 6, we get 1010. 18 minus 0, we get 18. 15 minus 15, we get 0. 14 minus 1, we get 13. 17 minus 16, we get 1. I hope you all have completed these sums in your book, as this was the class work of previous lecture. And I told everyone to write with me. I am sure you all have completed. Now get ready, because we are going to learn and write. Write down using using your, your, addition, addition, facts, facts, 2, subtract, Use your addition facts to subtract. Why we are learning this? What is the importance of this? With the help of this exercise, we can compare our answer. Is it right or wrong? Let us see. Look, this is the sign of addition. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. It is said that 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Look, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pink color boxes. By adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to that green color has 7 boxes. Total we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Let's check it. Our answer is correct or not. 13 minus 7. We want to know either this is right or wrong. So, we have removed 7. There remains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, 13 minus 7 we get 6. 13 minus 6. You all know that the pink color is having 6 boxes inside it. So here we have removed 6. There remains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. We can say that this answer is correct by comparing it with the help of subtraction. Ten plus 5 is equal to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pink color has 5 boxes inside it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This purple color has 10 boxes. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. We got the answer by addition. Let's check it with the subtraction. First of all, let's make a subtraction of 15 minus 5. Now see the screen. I already have explained that the pink color is having 5 boxes. Remove it. There remains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 15 minus 5 we get 10. Check it on another way. 15 minus 10. Here we have removed all the 10 purple color boxes. There remains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 15 minus 10 we get 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. When 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. We have compared this sum with the help of subtraction also, and we get the answer proper. So we can say that this answer is correct. Now everyone write down. FIRST fast, MATCH match, THE the, ADDITION addition, FACT fact, TO2, THE the, SUBTRACTION subtraction, first match the addition fact to the subtraction, ONE1, and then solve. I'm waiting for a while. Everyone, complete. First, match the addition fact to the subtraction one and then solve. Now prepare two columns. In first column, write 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Leave one line and then write. Nine plus 3 is equal to 12. Five plus 6 is equal to 11. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Leave one line. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Leave one line and then write 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Leave one line and then write 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. I'm going to read the first column again. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Now leave some space and prepare another column beside that. 12 minus 9 is equal to dash. You can make a dash or prepare a box like this. 12 minus 9 is equal to dash. Leave one line and then write 15 minus 8 is equal to dash. leave one line and then write 11 minus 5 is equal to dash. You can make a dash or you can prepare a square box like this, empty box. Leave one line and then write 13 minus 8 is equal to dash. Leave one line and then write 14 minus 10 is equal to dash. I am going to repeat once again column number 2. 12 minus 9 is equal to dash. 15 minus 8 is equal to dash. 11 minus 5 is equal to dash. 13 minus 8 is equal to dash. 14 minus 10 is equal to dash. I hope you all have completed your writing work. Now see. Here first match is already done. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 is matched with 11 minus 5 is equal to dash. So what will be the answer of this box? 11 minus 5 we get 6. First everyone match this and write number 6 in this box. Nine plus 3 is equal to 12. Match it. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Write the answer. Now match it with 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Match with 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Thirteen minus 8 is equal to 5. First write down the answer. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now check this column. What is the suitable match for this? We can say that it will be matched with 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Everyone match these columns. First of all, match 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 with 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Then 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 will match with 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Two options are remaining yet. Let us see. First, 14 minus 10, we get 4. Write down the answer. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. Now, check this column. What is the suitable match for this? It is 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Match it. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 will match with 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. Last one is remaining. 15 minus 8 we get 7. Will match with 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. I hope everyone has completed. So this was the addition fact to the subtraction. Now we are going to learn and write table of 6. Everyone write down the heading TABLE, table of 6. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. My dear students, I hope each and every student is writing with me. I told you again and again that make homework of every subject in our mathematics, do your homework properly, as well as every day you have to learn at least one table. That's why I am trying to teach you any one of table every day. So everyone keep memorize the table at your home. Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.